Hello friends, it's Tuesday, September 27th. I'm Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar Trading Academy, and I want to suggest 3 ways to trade the market. One way is simply ask for divine guidance, and hopefully the good Lord will bless you with profits. There are 2 other ways that I know of that would be profitable for you to learn. And both of them are ways that you can learn at my site at timelessdollar.com. One way is to trade short-term, scalping. Another way is to trade longer term, going in at one part of the day and exiting another part of the day. And I want to illustrate those 2 ways. Here we are, it's just about 3:30 on Tuesday, September 27th, and the market has traded down for the day, did recover somewhat. But nevertheless, I want to talk about the 2 ways that I teach at Timeless Dollar E-mini Trading Academy. Now, one way is to learn the 6 trade setups that I teach. GST, TMC. Sounds simple, but you really need to take the course to learn the rules, the do's and the don'ts. GST, TMC is gap, support and resistance, time and price, trend, momentum, and candlesticks. Those are the 6 trade setups. There are only 6. Only 6 trade setups. But of course, many people who think trading is easy learn a few trade setups and they don't do too well for whatever reason. The other way to trade is to trade with a longer term view. And for that, I teach how to trade using numbers. And I'm a big believer in following the market in terms of how far it's declined and risen from day to day. And I take an average of that, and using a series of 12 calculations, I calculate where the market is likely to trade on any given day. For example, the market opened today right about over here at 37.10. And actually there was a support, a time and price trade right here. This is one leg, this is the other leg. But the big picture takes into account a larger time frame using the Taylor trading technique numbers that I develop and I distribute by subscription each day. Using that, you would have gotten in the market anywhere over here, gotten out of the market over here, and picked up about 55, 60 points for the day. Does this work? Well, let's look back at a previous day. Here, the day before, the 26th, you would have gotten on the market, into the market anywhere around here, and oh my goodness, you would have been underwater here, but you would have closed out your trade over here. And it's just based on learning the big picture. Now, sure, you can scalp and you can learn the trade setups, and they're very profitable, the 6 trade setups that I teach. Or you can learn the big picture using the Taylor numbers, or better yet, you can use both. Learn both, use both, profit with both. Of course, you can ask for divine guidance, and may the good Lord bless you. This is Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. You have a good day. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safely, use lots of patience, and I'll see you in my next video.